Next is question number 4, part A. Solve the simultaneous equations. You must show all your working. 2p minus q is equal to 7. 3p plus 2q is equal to 7. Let's say this is equation A and this is equation B. Now by 2a plus b, multiplying equation A with 2 and then adding it into B. So it will be 4p minus 2q is equal to 14 and plus 3p plus 2q is equal to 7. Now adding these two equations, 4p plus 3p is 7p and minus 2q plus 2q is 0 is equal to 14 plus 7 is 21. From this 7p is equal to 21 and p is equal to 21 over 7, then p is equal to 3. Now using the value of p in equation A. So 2 into 3 minus q is equal to 7. From this q is equal to 6 minus 7 and q is equal to minus 1. P is 3 and q is negative 1. Part C is Alicia walks a distance of 9 km at a speed of x km per hour. She then runs a distance of 5 km at a speed of 2x plus 1 km per hour. The total time Alicia takes is 2.5 hours. Part I is show that 10x square minus 41x minus 18 is equal to 0. First, she walks a distance of 9 km at a speed of x km per hour. So this time will be 9 over x. And then she runs a distance of, let's say this is t1. Okay, then she runs a distance of 5 km. So time for this distance will be 5 over at a speed of 2x plus 1 km per hour. And the total time Alicia takes is 2.5 hours. So 9 over x plus 5 over 2x plus 1 is equal to 2.5. And now we have to show that 10x square minus 41x minus 18 is equal to 0. Let's take its LCM. It is x into 2x plus 1, 9 into 2x plus 1 plus 5x is equal to 2.5. Simplifying it, 9 times 2x is 18x plus 9 times 1 is 9 plus 5x is equal to 2.5 and multiplying it with 2.5. So x into 2x plus 1, 18x plus 5x, 18 plus 5 is 23. This is 23x plus 9 is equal to 2.5. Expanding this bracket, this will be 2x square plus x. Now 23x plus 9 is equal to, multiplying this 2.5. So 2.5 times 2 is 5 x square plus 2.5x. 5x square plus 2.5x, 2.5x minus 23x minus 9 is equal to 0. So 5x square and this will be 2.5 minus 23 is minus 20.5 minus 9 is equal to 0. Now multiplying this whole equation with 2, so we will get 10x square minus this will be 41x minus 9 times 2 is 18. This is equal to 0 and hence proved. Second part is work out Alicia's running speed. You must show all your working. For finding its running speed, we need to find the value of x, which is we can find by using this equation. 10x square minus 41x minus 18 is equal to 0. So it will be 10x square minus 45x plus 4x minus 18 is equal to 0. Now taking 5x as common, this will be 2x minus 9 plus taking 2 as common, so 2x minus 9 is equal to 0. Now 5x plus 2 into 2x minus 9 is equal to 0. Now either 5x plus 2 is equal to 0 or 2x minus 9 is equal to 0. From this, x is equal to minus 2 over 5, and from here x is equal to 9 over 2, and we have to calculate Alicia's running speed, which is 2x plus 1 kilometer per hour. Now replacing x with its positive root, so it will be 2 into 9 over 2 plus 1 kilometer per hour. Now this 2 is cancelled with this one and it will become 9 plus 1 is 10, so 10 kilometer per hour. Its speed is 10 kilometer per hour.